Hello guys, here's another quick update on the A40D build. So I modelled up these few parts yesterday and 3D printed them last night. They've been lying in the sun this morning for, I guess the sun's been up for 3 or 4 hours. So I'd say they're probably hard enough at this stage. These little things are just to block these holes. So that's just going to be 3 of those. I'll glue them in, maybe glue them at an angle. I'll work on it, but that looks to be a nice enough height, and there's just those 3 little, get some sunlight, there's just 3 little ridges on them. So I think that's going to be good enough just to tidy up. That's where the buttons used to be for, I think it was like noises and lights or something on the original model. In fairness, it's been about probably 7 or 8 years since I took this apart, so probably about time I finished it. So yesterday I cut the piece off here, so that used to be this. That's where the motor went, connected there. And here's our new 3D printed part. So we have the point here that's going to go where the screw goes. And this is our pivoting point, the lower end. So that's going to fit there. That fits, so that's a good start. I haven't actually test fit any of this yet, so this is the first time trying this. This is the part for the servo arm. That's very snug actually, that's a really good fit. That's okay. And I widened this hole yesterday, so I know this part's going to fit because that's just the servo arm, so that's fine. We need to get this on here. I might just take the servo part back out because I think I need to take a little bit off the servo arm, so just so that that's not in our way now, we'll try test fit this in here. Put these forward. Slide these slots down the side. That's pretty tight. Doesn't seem to want to go. Looks like it's a little bit too tight width-wise here. Yeah, so it looks like this width here is not wide enough to go down past the second part here. So there's inside here, you can see there's like a lip, a second lip. So we're getting down as far as that, and then it's getting quite tight. So I think it's a case of this is just a little bit too narrow. So I might be able to get away with just filing that out. So I'll go and try that and see if that works. Once that's down there, that should be pretty much it. So I'll go try and do that and we'll see how it goes. So that's just another little update on this.